We're going to be taking a look at TRTC right now, currently at 20.77. That's going to be just under 21 cents, so 0.2077 right now in live time. You guys, 1, 2, 3 consecutive days of a decent fall off. I mean, a pretty big moves down, coming off of the high on the 24th, which would have been 25.50, so 25.5 cents, and just been dropping off since there. If we take a look at this candle right now, you guys are getting outside that lower Bollinger Band. I would be personally watching for a possible bounce back into that. Not saying it's going to be a huge bounce by a long shot. I'm not saying that at all. So don't take it that way. I'm just saying that right here, it could start going sideways, kind of pulling back into that lower Bollinger Band. Remember, those are like rubber bands. It can snap you back in, upward, down. Right now, you guys currently have a support level right around the 0.20 and 60, and down there a little bit further, say roughly around the 1770. Kind of get about 1770 exactly. That one as well, just to make sure. So right there around that general area, you guys break that 2060 that we were just talking about, which it's currently at right now. It could keep dropping down to that 1770. It just seems that right now you guys have a lot of volume coming into this one, but it's not really moving too much. You might want to look into the shear structure and find out about the size of the shear structure. Is there possible shares being sold by a large shareholder, a company to raise money, whatever? There's so many different things to look for. But right there, that's what I'd be watching.
Yeah, they're there. There's some form for us.
Okay. You can go ahead and take.
Yeah, all right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 form fours. The first page, and 9, 10. So 10 form fours from April, and they're all disposed. Yeah. So some they've been selling, but I mean it's not like serious amounts. I guess it depends on how you look at it. Depends on what the share structure is. These guys right here, they're one of the best 50 OTC on the QX there. So the best 50. It's got the label on it. So I'm guessing that's that. All right. So the latest filing also is an 8K, and it's regarding their latest press release. It was Terra Tech Corp CEO Derek Peterson discusses recent news and provides an outlook for the company in a new audio interview at smallcapvoice.com. So let's see, on April 20th, smallcapvoice.com and Terra Tech Corp, a vertically integrated cannabis-focused agricultural company, announced on April 20th that a new audio interview with the company is now available. The interview can be heard at Small Cap Voice blog, and there's a link to it right there. So if you go over to the TRTC board, go right to recent news and pull up the April 20th, you'll see that press release, and you'll see the link to that interview right there. So Derek Peterson, CEO of Terra Tech, called into Small Cap Voice to go over the exciting news for Terra Tech. Topics covered in interview include the recent White House comments on the cannabis industry, market penetration in California, the overwhelming successes in Nevada, the steady growth for edible gardens, and more. So in the interview regarding the current administration's stance on cannabis, Peterson stated, if we were having this conversation 2 years ago, wouldn't be what it is today. But last November, we had 8 of the 9 pieces of national legislation go through. That shows overwhelming support for an expanded regulatory environment for cannabis, even in swing states. There's one thing this administration has built their platform around. It's states' rights. All right, so that's that. I mean, just goes on to more. Obviously, you're hearing it from the horse's mouth, so always good to go and listen to that. So if you want to continue doing due diligence on TRTC, just go right over to the TRTC board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that TRTC board.
All right, TRTC, like I said, regarding the stock in the stock chart, 0.20. 60 watch, could be some selling here. Like I said, Joe, you said you can kind of look into that and verify that information yourself. Do your homework on it.
I want the share structure. The share structure as of April 5th was 990 million authorized And the float as of October 28th, 2016 is showing 357,154,861 shares.
All right,
And
thanks.
that's as of October 28th. You're welcome.
All right, so that's what we're going to be watching for. Resistance is going to be at 2020, 24.95, support at 2060 and 1770. TRTC, if you follow this one, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We'd appreciate it. Get out there and share the videos. And if you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so. InvestorsHangout.com/live.